Muddled that front one and all. I can't believe there ain't a fault code for that. It hasn't actually cut the wires in two, but I can't believe they haven't been touching.
And what one's that for?
That's the temperature sensor at the front.
Alright. We'll worry about that another time.
Well, I'll just separate the wires and put some tape over them. But there's, how many wires I cut through? I think it's 8 wires, I think.
What, on that back?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think it is. Crazy. Just having a look, see if there's anything else, you know. Front end here. Don't look at the moment. Sometimes they go through the rubber hoses that go to the DPF as well. That's unbelievable, isn't it? It is unbelievable.
Might have Roland's cousin somewhere listening.
Yeah.
Is it worth plugging it in firstly before you take that all up? Make sure they're all connected.
We're not going to know until you drive it.
Oh, won't it show open circuit on that thing?
No, it didn't, did it?
On your one it did. You should put it on your